Hey guys, it's Champ. Welcome back to my channel. Some of you may know me as Danielle, others as Champ. Champ is one of my nicknames, and I got it because my name is Danielle Champion. I'm not just cocky, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about something really serious, and that is the 7 deadly curly hair sins. And let me tell you people, if you commit any of these sins, you will go to curly hair hell. Now, to begin our countdown, the 7th deadly curly hair sin is brushing your hair while dry. All of us curly hair and natural hair specimens out there know that curly hair can be very tangly and can be damn near impossible to get a brush through. That's why you want to brush your hair when it's wet. And I personally brush it when it has conditioner in it. This makes for less tangles and a much quicker process. And now for the 6th deadly curly hair sin, brushing your hair on a time crunch. When we rush, we tend to rip our hair. And detangling can be a really lengthy process, especially the longer that your hair is, but it's totally necessary if we want to get out each and every one of the little itty bitty tangles that we get in our hair. And I figure that if you don't have the time to brush your hair or you're gonna be on a time crunch, just throw that stuff up in a bun, a protective hairstyle, get a scarf, a hat, anything, but don't rush it. I always say it's better to wait than to rip your hair. Also, a couple tips for brushing. When I do brush my hair, I always use a Denman brush. This is the only kind of brush that I use. I take that back. I do use a baby brush for when I'm like putting it in a ponytail or something, but a Denman brush, this is the only type of brush that I use to detangle. Not a wide tooth comb, none of that stuff, a Denman brush. Also, when I brush my hair, I leave conditioner in it, and the conditioner that I leave in my hair is Aussie Moist, which is one of my favorite conditioners, and you can also use it as a cream, I found out. It works as a great curl cream. So either one of those things works. And the last, but certainly not least tip, is when you're detangling, start from the bottom of your hair and work your way up, not the other way around. The bottom and work your way up. The 5th deadly curly hair sin is purchasing products without research. You wouldn't put food in your mouth without knowing what it's made of, so why would you put a product on your hair without knowing what it's made of? Always look at the ingredients, people. Don't just follow, oh, my friend said this product works, so it's gonna work great for me. No, first of all, everybody has different hair. And number 2, your friend might not know what they're talking about. So like I said, look at the back, do your research on the, get a review on it, multiple reviews on it, not a review from the website because that's gonna be biased. Get a review from other sites. Check the ingredients. You want to avoid a lot of ingredients such as sulfates because they really do a great job of washing your hair, but they strip your hair of all of your minerals. So make sure that you do your research on your products, people. Don't just blindly put stuff into your hair. The 4th deadly curly hair sin is scrunching your hair with shampoo in it. This causes frizz, people. What you're actually doing is weeding your hair shaft and roughening your hair cuticles, so you don't want to do that. A tip is only apply your shampoo to your scalp. The rest of your hair will get cleaned when you wash it off. Trust me, you don't need to add any more shampoo to your hair, just your scalp. The 3rd deadly curly hair sin is applying products to your scalp. The only products that should be applied to your scalp is your shampoo and oils. And when you do use shampoo, only on your scalp. You don't have to put it on the rest of your hair. Trust me, when you wash that shampoo off your scalp, it will clean the rest of your hair enough without adding more. The reason you don't want to add products to your scalp is because what you're actually doing is clogging your pores and stunting your hair growth, people. Yes, I said stunting your hair growth. I didn't get my hair this long by applying products to my scalp, so you should not either. All right, guys, we only have 2 deadly hair sins left. Let's get to it. Number 2, styling your hair too tight. If you can feel your hair pulling around your edges or if it's giving you a headache, your hair is way too tight. A lot of people mistake not being able to grow their hair long or not being able to grow edges for what they're really doing, which is pulling their hair too tight and ripping their edges. It's not that they can't grow, it's that you can't let them grow. Think about it. And now for the 7 deadly curly hair sin number 1, cutting your hair when it's wet. People, do not do this. We have what is called shrinkage. When it's wet, it's longer. When it dries, it's shorter. So if you cut it while it's wet, you're not gonna get the real length, which will be a lot shorter when it dries, okay? Now that we have gone through the 7 deadly curly hair sins, I'm going to give you one extra tip that will help you with your curly hair, and that is, do not dry your hair with a regular towel. What you should use is a microfiber towel, which you can order online, or let it air dry, or use a blow dryer with a diffuser. But don't dry it with a regular towel, because what that does is once again causes more frizz, and we don't want frizz. All right guys, those were the 7 deadly curly hair sins. Hopefully they help you, and if there are any other sins that I may have forgotten or don't know about, please feel free to share them below, write me, whatever, just let me know them. If there are any new videos you guys want to see me do, write them below as well. I really appreciate everyone watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, SoundCloud for my singing, at Watch Danielle. Everything is the same, and I'll put it right up here for you so you can always remember. And hopefully I will see you back next time. All right, guys, have a great day.